Hello students, in today's class data structure part 7 we learned accessing individual element in a two-dimensional list. In last class we learned how we can create two-dimensional list, how we can declare and how we can traverse the element of two-dimensional list. So in today's class we learned how we can access individual element in a two-dimensional list. So we can access individual elements in a two-dimensional list by specifying its square brackets, by specifying its index value in square brackets. So let us understand by this example. Like we assume a list A and we have two-dimensional list which has 3 row and 3 column. Now we are going to print A 2 1. So it means 2 means it index number starts from 0. So 2 means 0 1 2 third row and 1 is 0 1 means second column. So we have to print third row and second column element, so which is equals to first row, second row, third row and second element which is equals to 7. So output will be 7. So let us understand by this example in Python. So we write new program. So we are going to assume a list, multi-dimensional list. So here we print our list. Now I am going to print A 2 1. First of all, I save the program. Now I am going to run the program. So our output is 7. So what we are going to print, third row and second column, so which is equals to 7. So how we now we can access individual element from a two-dimensional list. So our second topic is changing individual element from two-dimensional list. So we can also change specific value in two-dimensional list because list is a mutable data types. So because list is a mutable data type, we can change element from a list. So like we are going to assume this list and we are changing A to 1. It means third row and second column will be equal to 35. Then we print the output. Then our list is third row and second element will be changed from 7 to 35. So here I am doing A 2 1 equal to 35. Now I am going to print our list. First of all, I save the program and run. So 7 is replaced by the 35. So it is very easy to change our list element in two-dimensional list. So whatever we want to change, we have to give our index number, then whatever value should we change. So our next topic is slices of two-dimensional list. So the slicing rules of Python are applicable of two-dimensional list in the same way as you have applying to list. So whatever slicing application is applied in single list, same rule is applied on two-dimensional list. So let us assume here we have a list and we are going to print A colon 2. So it will print element of list with index is less than 2. So it means this list index is 0 and second list is 1 So output will be first list and second list, because it will print index number less than 2. So next element index number is 2, so it will not print. So colon 2 means index number is less than 2, all elements will be print. So output will be 10 first 2 list. So I save the program first of all. So here output are first 2 list. Same way, if I write print 2 colon, so it will print element of list with index is greater than 2. So 2 colon will print element of list with index is greater than 2. So it is the reverse of this first program. So I write here 2 colon so output will be index number is greater than 2. Again, in our third example, now I am going to print a 2 colon bracket close bracket open colon 1. It means first index is greater than 2 and after this one element. So our output will be 15, 7 and 25, because its index number is greater than 2 and one element. So let us run the program. So our output is 14, 6 and 30. So here because greater than 2 and one output is so this index number is 0, 1, 2 and greater than 2 is this, so output will be this. So in today's class we learned how we can access individual element from a 2-dimensional list and how we can change individual element from 2-dimensional list. One thing is remaining in 2-dimensional list, index number starts from 0 and all index number, all value written in the square brackets. Then we'll understand slices of 2-dimensional list. So 2-dimensional list, how we can perform slices of 2-dimensional list.